Sunday, July 20th, and Dad has just put on the third coat of paint for the 1952 wide gauge for the customer, and he's all done here now. He's just got to reattach these doors, all the side doors and the back doors, and the engine compartment doors are all done. He's got another one sitting over here getting dried out, but he didn't quite like his second coat of paint, so he decided to put on the third coat, and everything's done here. He's just got to let it cook, and we got some rain in the forecast, so it might be day after tomorrow before he gets it out there. Out in the rain, not in the rain, out in the sun, to let it cook a little bit. This might be his last paint job ever, though. As stated before, guys, he's 83. He really doesn't want to do paint jobs unless he can do the rest of the work. Kind of did the math on this one, and it really wasn't worth his time. And so I think this is probably Dad's last paint job, but a beautiful one it is. And so yeah, that's the end of this. Dad's already gone home for today. I just did some cleanup around the shop, and that's that. So we'll check you on the next video. Tuesday, July 22nd, and as you can see, the 1952 wide gauge has been moved out of the shop, and I just got to put the side doors back on, and the back engine compartment doors, and the back door there. Everything's been painted clearly. And so this is where it ends for Dad and this machine. We're gonna have to call the customer, tell him to come pick up his machine. The back engine door still got to go back on, so we're not doing any more work on this machine. Dad is done with it, so hopefully the customer's happy with what's been done here. But this is another, I think this is Bombardier number 39 or 40 for Dad that he's worked on, but it's done. One of our dogs here, Yeti's over, and then Dad's gonna focus in on this Bombardier Muskeg tractor and the other one in the shop that I'll go and show you guys here right away. Got some airboats work that has to be done, but cooler day. I think Dad took the afternoon off, is doing some gardening because he's not around here right now. But I'll go switch over to the inside of the shop and show you guys what's going on. So we're back in the shop, and we have the Bombardier Muskeg tractor that we've been focusing in here on for the last couple of months. Now it's just become a work table. We're going to have to clean all that up. And Dad's repainted his guidelines on the floor. Those wear out on us all the time. Lots of blue on the floor from the painting. So we haven't had a free spot like this into the shop for a while. Dad's keen to get using this area again, but because it's so damn hot outside sometimes that he needs to have that space. But that engine and transmission is going into that Bombardier Muskeg tractor. Dad's got some painting and scraping on these yellow pieces, which is going onto that piece of equipment. These seats have got to get reupholstered. These doors have got to be sanded down and painted. Same thing here. So there's lots of work for Dad to be doing here, and he's got to clear off this table here. This is the new rad for the outside machine, and the other rad is around here somewhere. But yeah, we're already getting calls again from guys, mostly just inquiry calls about work to be done. It is July, so that means guys are still gonna not really thinking about this too much right now, but we try to warn everybody in advance. First come, first serve means you get into the shop. We don't hold spots, and Cat just wants activity going on here, eh, kitty? And the little dog needs to stay busy too. But yeah, that's it. So, and the next, Dad will probably take a couple of days off to do some more gardening. But then it's back onto this one, and the other one parked outside. And that is it for today's video. We'll see you on the next one.